Good morning, everybody, and this is your DAX day trade setup for today. So yesterday was just another one of those what they call whipsaw days, which often just hurts us retail traders. We are clearly pretty much bouncing around in a range. So I think there's a couple of things to bear in mind. We are in a downtrend. We're bouncing around, trying to get above structure, which is obviously trying to reverse. But those are normally pretty volatile, and it's not playing out. Oscillators have crossed over. Well, one of them has, the other one's about to. So this level that we're flirting with from yesterday, still remember we're still in this bigger range, and then we had the smaller range here that we were paying attention to yesterday. So that's 13,111. That is the line in the sand at the moment. So if that holds, then I'd expect another leg up. That would basically validate inverse head and shoulders or even a cup and handle. But then ultimately we need to break above 13,382 for that to play out. So at the moment, we're kind of in no man's land. There's nothing really exciting at the moment. So we have a clear range formed for the week. Oscillators are grouping back to the downside on the 3-hour. So as I said, this is said it yesterday. If we broke above this structure that was forming, then you're looking to retest this area. And now if you break to the downside, you're looking to retest this area. So by the looks of things, we're more than likely going to drop below this, come and test the downside area. And that's just going to validate the bigger range for us. And that's been kind of the moral of the story with the DAX for almost 2 years now, as it sort of moves in a direction and then finds a range. So look at this, above and below the moving averages at the moment, clear range, no real diversions or anything else to speak of. So for me, 13,111 is the line in the sand. Start dropping below here, look for a retest of that, then you're looking for shorts down to 1300 or 13,932 to be exact. And if we start getting above this area again, which is 13,200, then you're looking at sort of testing these previous highs here and hopefully getting to 13,382. So that's kind of the play that we've got at the moment. If you look at this on the 15 minutes, I'll be really impressed if anybody managed to get a trade here and actually make some money out of it, because sort of at the open it was just all over the place, and then the US Open just basically dropped back into this area here. Didn't really find support. There was no real structure that was formed. Pure just range, sort of range and zones. That's all that's going on at the moment. So yeah, I think I'm kind of a sit on hands guy today. Just pay attention to these two zones. It is a big range. So we start breaking above or below these two levels that I've given you here. So it's 13,200 or 13,205 to the upside and 13,111 to the downside. So if you start breaking below, then you're looking to test the bottom of the bigger range. Start breaking above, you're looking to test the top of the bigger range. That's kind of the only structure that I can see. And if you stay in between those lines, then just basically sit quietly and sip a tea or a whiskey or something and keep out of it. Anyway, that's kind of my view at the moment. I'm more of a sit on hands on the DAX than anything else right now. Hope it helps, and we'll catch up with you tomorrow morning. Cheers for now.